Good morning dear students. Today I will take a revision from chapter 17 and name of the chapter 17 is the water. Chapter 17 water. You know that we can't live without water and water is our precious resource. And where we use water? We use water for bathing, cooking, washing and for the different purposes. So plants and animals are also need water. So you know that without water we can't do anything and water is our precious resource. So first in this chapter I will take revision about water. So you know that we need water for the various purposes and we can't live without water. Water is very important, drinking water. So without water we can't live also. And not only human beings, plants and animals are also need water. All living things need water. All living things, in last topic I discussed about the living things and non-living things. So what are the living things? Plants, animals, people, plants, animals, they are the living things. Last topic I told you about the living things and non-living things, and you know that living things, plants, animals and people. So characteristic features also I told in the last topic. They can grow, they can eat, they can reproduce, they can feel. These are the different characteristics feature of the living things. So all living things need water, whether it is plants, whether it is animals and whether it is human beings. They all are need water and without water we can't do anything. We drink water every day and animals and birds drink water too. In the diagram it is given, you can see that page number 61, and you know that plants need water to grow. Without water they can't grow. So in diagram it is given that a child drinking water, a lion drinking water and a child watering plants. So now come to the water for other purposes. Water for other purposes. So we use water for bathing. You know that we use water for bathing, cooking. We use water for bathing, cooking, washing, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, cooling, putting out fire, putting out fire. So these are the different uses of the water. These are the different uses of the water. So we use water for bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning, cooling, putting out fire. These are the different uses of water. What are the uses of water? We use water for bathing, for cooking, for washing, for cleaning, for cooling, for putting out fire. These are the different uses of water. In the diagram it is given on page number 61. You can see bathing, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, cooking, cooling and putting out fire. Now what are the sources of water? What are the sources of water? So here you can see that sources of water. Sources of water. You know that rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. I think you know that water cycle. In water cycle, 3 processes are there. First process is the evaporation. In water cycle, it includes 3 processes. Water cycle. First one is the evaporation, condensation. Second process is the condensation, and third process is the precipitation. So these are 3 processes involved in the water cycle. First process is the evaporation. What is the evaporation? The heat of the sun changes some water into water vapor. That process is called the evaporation. What are the condensation process? Water vapor on cooling, it changes into the drops of water. That process is called the condensation. After that, when clouds heavy, then it falls to the ground in the form of rain. So, and that rainwater goes to the different streams, rivers, ocean, seas, ponds, etc. And some water goes deep into the ground. That water is called the underground water. Some water goes deep into the ground and that water is called the underground water. So, that water cycle is in water cycle, it involves 3 processes: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So what are the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water, and this rainwater fills the rivers, lakes and ponds, and rainwater also goes deep underground, and then we get this water. Some water goes deep into the ground. That water is called the underground water, and then we get this underground water through the tubewells or hand pumps. Through the tubewells and hand pumps. Tubewells and hand pumps you can see, and in homes hand pump is there. In every home's hand pump is available, and tubewells also you can see. And in cities we get water through the pipes and taps. In the cities we get water through the taps and the pipes. So drink clean water. Drink clean water. Always drink clean water. If we will drink contaminated water, what is the contaminated water? Contaminated water, it contains germs. So if we will drink contaminated water, then we can suffer from the different kinds of diseases. So it is good to drink clean water, and if water is not clean, then we can boil and filter it. Then that water we can drink. So we should always keep drinking water covered. Save water. It's our duty. We can save water, and water is precious. Water is very important. If water is not there, then we can't live. So water is precious, and do not waste it. Always close the tap after running. Always close the tap after running. When not in use, then you can close the tap. Never leave the tap open while brushing teeth. While you are doing brushing, then close the tap. Never waste water while bathing. When you will take bath, it's your duty, don't waste the water. So this is the chapter 17, water, and in this chapter we learnt about water is precious and we can't live without water, and living things cannot live without water, and we need water to drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning and putting out fire. These are the different uses of the water. And you know that rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water. And you know that we get water through rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, hand pumps and taps. And we should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. So this is all about the chapter 17, water. You will take revision and fill in the blanks, true, false, and answer the following. You will learn and you will take a revision.